Alright, so again, I did an earlier video and the package was damaged, but it wasn't completely destroyable. The product was great. So this has a little damage on it. It was smashed in the same box, so you can see here. So I'm just going to open it up real quick. This is minor compared to the last one I did. So, but I just want to open it up, kind of show you what it looks like inside. I'm not going to pull it all out because this is like a little gift for my niece for Christmas. But, you know, you have your little farmer. Super cute. It's like Little People, but you have your tractor that it comes with, and then it comes with your animals, with your horse and your sheep, so that's super cute. Or, yeah, that's a horse. And then it comes with your cow for the little people. Your little chicken. And then it comes with the tractor that you can pull the animals on. So it's super cute again. Nothing was damaged. So that's great. I love to see that. Like I said, it was some minor box issues, but so we'll just stick these back in here. I love to do the reviews like this, but it's so hard to get everything to fit back in there the right way. So I'm going to just move stuff around. And so this is what it is. Like again, it is super cute. So go get it for your little ones. There's damage there too, but yeah, nothing's hurt. Nothing's damaged, so we're good. Открывай.
Ух ты, они еще ему делают.